polio affected children, and they were happily dancing. How was your experience in the field of space technology? It was very good. Space launch vehicle.
Everything they have told, and very nice conversation. There is no
We are going to talk to this year's SLC topper, Shrija. She has scored 625 out of 625. It's a great achievement. Mind you, this time the exam was a little bit tough, and she's the only topper. So let's talk to her now. How are you feeling today? You're on top of the world.
I'm very excited, ma'am. I'm feeling very happy. Today I'm celebrating now. That's why I'm very happy.
How did you study? Well, how many hours did you study?
I sleep very less. My teachers are very much inspired me, ma'am. So I studied well. Then they are giving wake-up calls and all. So I can't able to sleep.
So these are all your impressions.
Yeah. 5 to 6 hours they will support. Then they are conducting tests and all.
So your supporters and guides are
My teachers and my parents.
So what you want to thank Abhinay then?
Yes, I want to thank my teachers and my entire school of friends and all. Then my parents.
Okay, tell me, which is your favorite subject?
Kannada.
Why is it?
It is my mother tongue and it is very easy to catch and very easy to like.
Okay, Shrija, I wish you all the best. Do well. So I hope you're joining your secondary school or doing some diploma.
No, ma'am, I want to do the.
Thank you, Shrija.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Between reporter and the teacher. Here, the teacher got best teacher award. So that's why the reporter is going to interview with the teacher. Hi sir, good morning.
Very good morning, sir. Very good morning, sir.
Could I know your name, please?
I am Indraj GP. And now I am present in the government high school building, sir, expected. So, the department has recognized me and choose to me best teacher. So, I would thanks to them. Thanks to them, sir.
Okay, now you are very happy with the award.
Yes, I'm just supported, sir. All 60.
I'm feeling as if I'm flying in the sky. Congratulate everyone, my team. It's a teamwork, you know. We won, and we also won cups in future also. Our team has practiced and worked a lot in this achievement. I thank my teammates and all the supporters who supported us for this achievement.
But do you think the opposite team did well? How did you manage?
Yeah, opposite team did well. Their batting, bowling was very tough, you know. But our, players also very much tried and they were very much practiced so that we can face them confidently.
So what was going on in your mind in those last two crucial overs, the decider overs? Were you pressurized or tense?
No, it is not a question of pressure, but we think a sort of planning about the two crucial overs, and I guided my players, and they act accordingly to that, and consequently we won the match.
Okay, Virat, how are you taking this match for the rest of the coming matches?
Yeah, it is a good lesson for us, and we definitely, observe all the matches and what are the failures and all the nooks and corners, and we prepare best for the next match.
So after many losses today, how we have won the match and how we are going
Sir,
to the
can you tell us how did Anushka support you?
Yeah, Anushka, she was a motivation for you today for
She's smiling, she's sitting there, and she's an inspiration for me, and she will be always be an inspiration for me. No question of divorce.
Super.
are you dedicating the sanctuary of today for?
Yeah, definitely. Dedicating dedicating this to my nation, and definitely to all my players, and finally to my better off.
Okay, the final question: how is the team going to celebrate the win today?
Yeah, we have
What are plans?
yeah, we have a nice celebration. Boom Gadaka today. We have everything today, and we'll come out with flying colors in the next matches also. Thank you.
Okay, this was Virat Kohli giving us post-match ceremony interview. Many congratulations again, Virat Kohli.
Thank you so much.
What's your feeling?
See, I was a free boy before marriage. Now I am caged.
So sad.
This is my experience, madam.
Why you are telling you are in a cage?
Home is a cage, that's why I'm telling. And the wife is the ringmaster. It's quite unfortunate to tell, but it is the truth.
Only you are telling negative points.
There is no positive points at all. How can I tell the positive points?
Next,
Yes.
what's your daily routine?
Daily routine. Washing, cooking, mopping, look after the child.
I'm not asking your wife duty. I'm asking your daily routine.
It is my daily routine, dear, not my wife. Why you are confusing? You are confusing yourself and also confusing me. Don't confuse me. Otherwise, if I stop those words, it will be difficult for me tomorrow onwards. Don't confuse me. Okay, continue.
You already have framed your timetable and your routine perfect.
Yes, of course. We
It's
have
already allotted.
Yes, it is
You
allowed.
agreed.
And it is going on. Why you are asking again and again? The question is finished. Go to the next question.
How do you define your wife?
Why? How do you define why? Why is invited forever?
Okay, no, not like that. Why they say, invest in a false enterprise.
Yes, you are also right. See, won't invest in a false enterprise is WIFE. Again, I repeat, won't invest in a false enterprise. Right?
Okay, how will you define a husband?
Ma'am, sorry.
How will you define husband?
Husband. Can anybody define husband? He always bends. So he's a husband. But he's like a asu cow. And he bends. So he's a husband. He has a band. That is the experience of Kalikachetarike.